I have a serious problem since a while. Sometimes I can't sleep tonight or wake up at 4 a.m. zombie around without a destination. And you are the only person who can help me with that problem. I'm Cemal Bulunmaz, your jewelry professional and the CEO of Bulunmaz Machinery Company. I love technology, I love machines, and I'm a jewelry professional from the day I was born. It's a family business for a generation. Since 2 years, with the start of COVID-19 pandemic, I had lots of chance to work on my YouTube channel. I made videos for every product we manufacture. I made videos of my factory, showroom, customers, literally everything. As today, May 2022, I went up to 13,000 subscribers on YouTube and 18,000 followers on Instagram. But I feel stuck. I need your help to understand what kind of content I must shoot for Bulunmaz YouTube channel. What do you want to watch on my channel? I can just keep shooting our machines. Okay, they are limited, but I can go deep with the specifications, create different models and share with you. We have more machines under development. They will be on the market soon. I'm actually shooting new videos about all our new machines. But what extra I could do on that? Another good idea is inviting masters in Turkey or around the world and ask them to use my machines. I'm sure there will be a lot of inspirations with such talents using my machines. Maybe you would like to come for a try. Write in the comments. I know thousands of jewelers around the world. I have ideas to visit them, show you different workshops in different countries and different working styles. How about that? Is that sound interesting? Collaborations. That's my personal favorite. I want to shoot videos with other jewelry professionals and actually I have plans ongoing on this. What do you think? Who would you like me to shoot videos together? Pablo Chimadevilla, Bobby White, Boris Rueda. Hey, maybe you're a jewelry YouTuber watching me right now. Stop watching, just text me for a collaboration together. We are a community of worldwide jewelers. We are a family. When I travel anywhere, Lebanon, Mexico, Indonesia, Thailand, all around the world, I meet jewelers who knows us and who follow our YouTube channel. So maybe I should bring a little bit different views to our community. Not just jewelry, but maybe I should have review videos of brand new cars, phones, other tech stuff. What do you think? How about travel? Have you ever seen any of my travel vlogs? If you know me, you know very well that I love to travel and shoot travel vlogs. Just click up here to watch one of my travel vlogs. Hey, you can catch me on my Instagram account on Mr. Bulunmaz and have a check on my travel. Do you have any other ideas for Bulunmaz YouTube channel? Come on, I need your help. Just text in the comments below, write me on Instagram, send me an email. What kind of content you wanna see here? You can have a check at my new factory here on this video while you are thinking. I'm waiting for your ideas right here.